What if every email you wrote, every Slack message, every document, you never had to type any of it again? You just talked and it came out clean, formatted, and ready to send. No ums, no typos, no punctuation to add. Just finished text instantly wherever your cursor is. That's not a future thing, that exists right now. It's called Wispr Flow and it's one of the most genuinely useful AI tools I found in 2026. I've been using it personally, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly what it is, how it works, and who it's actually for. Plus, I've got a deal at the end that gets you a full free month of the pro version, so stick around for that. Let's get into it. I'm Mario, this is AI by Mario, where I break down AI tools in plain English so anyone can use them. Today, Wispr Flow. What it is, what it actually does, who is it for, and how to try it completely free. Let's go. So, what exactly is Wispr Flow? Let me give it to you in the simplest way possible. Wispr Flow is an AI dictation tool. It lives on your computer, Mac, Windows, iPhone, or Android, and it lets you speak instead of type. Anywhere, in any app, in any text field on your entire computer, Gmail, Slack, Google Docs, Notion, WhatsApp, Web, Twitter. Anywhere your cursor is, you can speak into it. Here's what it makes different from just using your phone's built-in voice typing. Wispr Flow doesn't just transcribe what you say, it cleans it up in real time as you speak. It removes your filler words, the ums, the oohs, the likes, automatically gone. It adds punctuation, it fixes grammar, and it adjusts the tone depending on where you're typing. If you're in Slack, it comes out casual. If you're in a business email, it comes out professional. Same voice, the AI reads the context. The result is what you speak naturally. The way you talk to a friend, and finished, polished, ready to send. Text appears on your screen within about 1 second of finishing your sentence. Here's how to set it up. Takes about 3 minutes. Step 1, go to whisperflow.ai, download the app, available on Mac, Windows, iPhone, and Android. Step 2, sign up, start your free trial, 2000 words per week on the free plan. Enough to properly test it. Step 3, the app sits quietly in your menu bar. You don't see it until you need it. Step 4, whenever you want to dictate, hold your hotkey on Mac, that's the function key. On Windows, it's the control plus the Windows key. You speak, you release, done. That's the entire workflow. Hold, speak, release. Text appears wherever your cursor was. Let me show you some real examples. Gmail. Open a compose window. Click in the box, hold the hotkey, say your email out loud, release, full email, punctuated, professional, ready to send. 1 second. Slack. Click the message box, hold the key, speak casually, release, comes out sounding like a normal Slack message because Wispr Flow reads the context. Google Docs, hold, speak a paragraph, release. Hold, speak the next one, release. Build a full document with your voice, way faster than typing. And whisper mode. If you're in an office or coffee shop and you don't want to speak out loud, just whisper. It picks up quiet speech perfectly. Nobody around you needs to know what you're doing. So, who is this actually for? People who write a lot of emails. If your inbox is your whole job, dictating instead of typing can save you an hour or more every single day. You speak 3 to 4 times faster than you type. That time adds up very quickly. Entrepreneurs and business owners, you're constantly messaging clients, writing proposals, responding to leads. Wispr Flow turns that from a chore into something you can do in half the time. Content creators, rough drafts, video scripts, social media captions, newsletter content. Speaking your first draft and then refining it is completely different. And for many people, much faster. Students, writing essays and assignments by speaking your thoughts removes the friction of staring at a blank page. It's genuinely different way to write. Anyone with wrist pain or hand fatigue, speak instead of type. Your hands do nothing. Honestly, If you write anything on a computer regularly, this is worth trying. The free plan gives you enough to know within a few days whether it fits how you work. Now, let me show you the feature I did not expect to love as much as I do. Command mode. Command mode is on the Pro plan and it completely changes how you edit. You highlight any block of text anywhere on your computer, then you speak a command. Wispr Flow rewrites that text based on what you said. Highlight a casual email, say make this more professional, rewritten instantly. Highlight a long paragraph, say shorten this to 2 sentences, done. Highlight a rough list of points, say turn this into a proper email, the whole thing restructures itself. This is the part where it stops feeling like a dictation tool and starts feeling like an AI writing partner. You write fast with your voice, you edit fast with your voice. The keyboard becomes almost optional. I always want to be straight with you. Here are Wispr Flow's real limitations. First, it requires internet. Wispr Flow processes your voice in the cloud, so you need to be online. No signal, no dictation. Second, privacy. Your voice is processed on external servers. If you're dictating highly confidential information, keep it in mind. The company has improved its privacy policies significantly, but it's worth knowing. Third, the free plan has a limit 2,000 words per week. Enough to test it properly, but if you want to use it all day, every day, you'll need Pro. Outside of those three things, this tool does exactly what it says. The speed improvement is real, the accuracy is genuinely impressive. Now, here's the deal I mentioned at the start. I have a link in the description that gets you one full free month of Wispr Flow Pro. Not the basic plan, the actual Pro plan. Command mode, unlimited dictation, everything. 1 month completely free. No catch, just use my link. It's in the description right below this video. And I've also pinned it in the comments. If you've been curious about this, that free month is the best way to find out if it works for you. Try it for a full month. If you love it, keep it. If it's not for you, you haven't spent a single penny. You don't even have to connect your car. Here's what I want you to do right now. Go to the link in the description, get your free month, spend 1 week using it instead of typing, just 1 week, and see how it changes how you work. Drop a comment below. What's the first thing you're going to use Wispr Flow for? Emails, documents, something else? I read every single comment. If you found this useful, share it with someone who spends too much time typing. This could genuinely save them an hour every single day. Subscribe for more. Every week I break down AI tools in plain English. No jargon, no fluff, just real tools that actually work. I'm Mario. This is AI by Mario. Go speak instead of type. See you in the next one.